Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the wild bird dog celtuce taco recipe in Heartopia. In this Heartopia latest update, there is a new event that called Dreamlike Cinematic event, and at this event you can cook any limited food. One of them is wild bird dog celtuce taco, but first you need to unlock this recipe. And to unlock it, you just need to go to popcorn serving cart like this, and then just choose the wild vegetables celtuce taco, and then just replace the wild vegetables into the burdocks like this. And then in here you need also the romaine lettuce taco, but in here because I run of it, I will replace it with the universal ingredients. And then next, just tap on the start cooking. And okay, like this, you will successfully unlock the wild burdock celtuce taco recipe like this. You can just see the recipe already added to the food recipes, this one. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.